Hi, this is an orientation. Thanks for joining me on the course, The Role of Fragrance, Flavor and Taste in Modern Marketing. What you'll need to do, first of all, is when you come on is click Login, and you fill in your login details here, and then simply log in. Now bring you access to your courses. Press the Courses button. You'll see the course listed here. And there we go, that's the course we want. The Role of Fragrance, Flavor and Taste in Modern Marketing. And then you'll have all your modules listed out below. Here we go. And look into curriculum. Here you have all your courses, etc., etc. What I would also like to do is show you that within the course, you have downloads as well. Downloads are available and they're very useful. They've got tools and workbooks. So let's just show you one of those, and then you'll be able to download that and use it for your own research groups. So, okay, and then you scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see here, download templates and tools. Click on that. So you have your audios from the groups in there, using the mood personality circle, psychometric circle, and the taste and aroma profile. And then you also have the research playbook, very useful, which is step-by-step explanation. And then I've also put in a bonus essential flavor and fragrance research terms. And then in here you have the tools that I mentioned that I use. Personality wheel, an example of a psychometric plus aroma and taste words. For your moderating, they're all listed there, the ones you use in the actual group. Extra taste words to develop your taste profiles, personality wheel to detect the emotion, a head schemata which you'll use to, when you talk to consumers and you're doing flavor work, show them that and they can tell you where they're feeling it within the mouth and where they're helping them to describe the location of the taste. A form which helps you bring people back to their encounter with the product. We use this when we regress people back to the first time they met a product and talk to them about their first memories and where their parents introduced it or their grandparents, through to their teenage years, and then through to their adulthood, to their present usage. Then we have the psychometric circle and the taste profile. And then within the recruitment, because we need to recruit people to fill our groups, I've given you a recruitment letter, and I've also given you an incentives form which the respondents can fill in when you've given them their money, and a screener questionnaire. So that's all there. I look forward to seeing you later and getting your comments and feedback. Thank you very much.